Hi, everybody. I'm Cindy Zelinsky, and today we are going to be going over a presentation on Hy-Vee's expansion. So first we're going to go over our agenda, and we're going to be going over an introduction to Hy-Vee, store history of Hy-Vee, Wisconsin store landscape. Spoiler, we are going to be expanding to Wisconsin. Our location selection rationale, a short timeline for this project, a conclusion, and finally then a executive summary. So, yay, Hy-Vee is expanding, and we will be expanding to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We are expanding to Milwaukee, Wisconsin because it has the unique factors of not only landscape, but demographics and economics as well. Milwaukee has a diverse population, economic resilience, and just really a strategic location, and you'll find out more of that during this presentation. This will expand Hy-Vee's name and establish a thriving store in a community perfect for both economic and for branding opportunities. This presentation will explain the rationale behind choosing Milwaukee as the next destination for Hy-Vee. And it will also examine all the positive outcomes that will be created for Hy-Vee from the city's huge economic factors and benefits and the retail chain's commitment to innovation, community engagement, and customer satisfaction. So now let's talk about some store history of Hy-Vee. It spans over several decades. Hy-Vee was founded in 1930 by Charles Hyde and David Vredenberg in Beaconsfield, Iowa. It first started as a small general store, and it provided exceptional service and quality products to its customers. Hy-Vee actually stems from the company's dedication to efforts and values of the creators, Hyde and Vredenberg. Hy-Vee, Hyde, Vredenberg. And they steadily expanded their retail footprint, evolving from a single store operation to a network of supermarkets all across the Midwest. The company's commitment to growth and customer satisfaction has been a driving force for them, leading them to the introduction of innovative concepts such as the first Hy-Vee food store in 1952, and one of my personal favorites, their innovative health markets in 1988. I love the health markets. I think it's very modern and fitting for this day and age. And their history is highlighted by a plethora of community engagement through charitable initiatives, sponsorships, and local partnerships. Okay, so let's get into Wisconsin store landscape. So the landscape for Hy-Vee is thoughtfully crafted to align with this city's unique characteristics. We are going to ensure a tailored shopping experience that resonates with the local community and each niche of the target consumer. The store layout is going to be designed to reflect the diversity of Milwaukee's population, featuring specialized sections that cater to the wide range of preferences of their dietary needs. It's going to be located in downtown Milwaukee, and we are going to create one of their biggest stores yet at 140,000 square feet. This will effectively serve the population of the surrounding metro area of about 1,500,000 people, and it will also become an attraction with surrounding cities and passing tourists because of the size of the store. The interior of the store will portray an inviting atmosphere incorporating elements of local Milwaukee culture, and it will also incorporate aesthetics to create a sense of familiarity for shoppers, really making them comfortable in the space that they're going to shop. There's going to be dedicated spaces for Hy-Vee's initiative New Health Markets, and there's also going to be a strong emphasis on promoting local products in Milwaukee. We're going to aim to facilitate seamless and spacious navigation, making it easy for customers to explore the extensive products. This is really important because we want the consumers to have fun while they're shopping here. The store will also integrate the use of technology to enhance convenience, from user-friendly checkout options to personalized shopping recommendations on things like the computer website and apps on your phone. And it will also ensure a positive experience through the strengths within its connection to the local community. And this will really create loyalty and a long-lasting, mutually beneficial relationship. Okay, so now we're going to go over the location selection of Milwaukee and rationale why we chose Milwaukee. So, Milwaukee has a current metro area population of about 1.4 million and increasing. It's a budget-friendly city booming with educational and employment opportunities. Their demographic profile is characterized by a mix of young professionals, families, and retirees, which is just beautiful. It's perfect for every niche. These demographics align in a perfect way as they are cohesive with Hy-Vee's commitment to catering all different needs of consumer segments. The demographics and growing population alone provide a great customer base for the retail chain's expansion, creating an appeal for its products and services. Milwaukee also offers an expanding population with industrial and emerging technological sectors. It's very important because that proves to us that they have a strong and increasing purchasing power and economic stability. Milwaukee Midwest location also creates a great logistical advantage for Hy-Vee as it will facilitate an efficient supply chain and really help their operations overall. Excuse me. Milwaukee's vibrant local culture and the city's commitment to sustainability really aligns with Hy-Vee's values as a company, and this will provide opportunities for meaningful community partnerships and outreach programs. And we already know that's huge to Hy-Vee as a company from our introduction. Milwaukee's retail sector is also made for growth, and this really creates a favorable market for Hy-Vee. These are things like the health markets, which I said were my favorites, and then also quality and local products. Okay, now we're going to go into a little bit of a timeline for this project. In September of 2025, we're going to finish our market research and site selection. In November of 2025, we're going to do regulatory compliance and permitting for this project. January of 2026, we will finish store design and start construction. In March of 2026, we will do staff recruitment and training. And finally then, in May of 2026, we will do pre-opening marketing and promotion. So, in conclusion, Hy-Vee has booming potential in this Midwestern city of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This new location will thrive due to the city's unique characteristics, like their landscape, demographics, and economic dynamics. They have a very diverse population and economic resilience, which really makes it just an ideal environment for an expansion. And even better, the chosen location in downtown Milwaukee, with its high population density and proximity to surrounding areas, which will bring in a lot of other consumers, affirms their strategic advantages of this expansion. It perfectly aligns with Hy-Vee's commitment and innovation to community collaboration, huge value of theirs. And the new store promises to not only meet but exceed the expectations of the local clientele and profits possible for the expansion. I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. Thank you so much. Again, I'm Sydney, and there is my email if you have any questions. Thank you.